Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Currently we're looking at the Nasdaq. This is the micro Nasdaq. Today's Monday. It's 8:57. We're about to go into that 9 o'clock hour period. Um, Again, it's a Monday. I'm expecting too much action. Um, from what it looks like, we're consolidating right here. We're in this sort of downtrend channel, right? In this sort of downtrend channel. We're testing uh, this channel. We're in this consolidation period for around a week, 6 days, and 10 hours, and then we broke out of the channel. We had this displacement. We came back, tested, we tried to find support, but uh, support failed. We built this sort of uptrend, right? High, low, high, and then we broke this sort of uptrend, and now we're again testing this channel. We're back inside this channel, so there's no reason for me to not be expecting price to stay around this channel, maybe even coming back down to this lows. I really like this 20k psychological level. This is a level that everybody's looking at. I mean, who doesn't know when Nasdaq is at 20k, right? That's a level that every trader is looking at. Not only that, we like it also because there is a value area low right here, exactly at 20k. So this is where there's a lot of volume. Not only there's a lot of volume, but there's a lot of people looking at it since it's just such a strong psychological level, right? Um, it also looks like we're again in this downtrend channel. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at in case you haven't seen it yet. This, so we're back inside this horizontal channel, and we're also in a downtrend channel. So for now, I'm in the 30-minute chart. For now, all I'm looking at is just playing the streams of the channel, right? Um, it also looks like we're bouncing off of this daily naked point of control from Wednesday. Let me look at a shorter time frame, smaller time frame. Um, so yeah, we're in the middle of the channel. I don't like trading middles. I like extremities because it gives me the highest probability trade setup. In the middle, this could literally reject or keep going up. So there's really nothing for me. There's really no trades for me right now. Um, I'm going to wait for the open. Futures opens at 9:30 Eastern time, at least for me. Um, yeah, there's really nothing here. Pre-market, there's no trade. I'd much rather wait patiently for a high probability setup. What's a high probability setup for me at the very least is if come back inside the bottom. I'll entertain the idea of getting into a long here. If we come back to this highs, I'll also entertain the idea of getting to a short right here to take it to the downside, right? But again, playing the extremities of this channel is kind of confusing, and I would say is the highest probability to trade this channel just because we're back inside this big old channel, right? We're back in this big old channel. So me personally, I'll be favoring shorts. I'll be favoring more shorts than long just because we're back inside the channel, right? We're back inside the channel, expecting this to come all the way lower. So currently right now it's 9:04. What I've started doing is that I have a Discord, group, and every day around this time, 9 Eastern time, I'm going inside the Discord, and anybody who wants to join the Discord can watch me trade live. They can ask me any questions, um, market related, right? Um, I'm not saying that I have all the answers, right? But I've been trading for 5 years, and I've been taking trading seriously for around 2 to 3 years. So I have experience in the market. So if any of you guys are interested in it, you guys can just join my Discord. I'm gonna post the link down below in the description. So yeah, if you guys are looking for any one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one coaching, um, I'm willing to work with you guys and teach you some of my strategies, some of my setups, some of the things that I look at before going inside a trade. So yeah, right now what I'm gonna do is join the call and see if anyone joins. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened earlier. I think I got disconnected or I just ended the stream by mistake. But yeah, like how I was saying, I'm looking for shorts today, but shorts are very tricky. Today is just gonna be a very choppy price action, in my opinion. This thing, it's gonna be very confusing for most traders. Um, right now the market just opened 9:30. Market just opened this Monday. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of losing traders, in my opinion. This is gonna be a very hard to read price action. I mean, the things that I look for before I start trading, before I take a trade during the day, are not really coinciding. They're not really those overlapping factors that make me have confidence in a trade. Um, so as you guys know, I was looking for shorts earlier. I'm not seeing any reason why I should be taking a short right here at this point in time. Maybe in a couple of minutes my buy switch, but currently I'm looking for longs. Um, maybe taking this long to this highs. I have this as a key level. So it's 9:36 now. I'm gonna start setting up my first initial setup of the day. Again, this thing is just breaking out. There's no reason to short this thing right now. Plus my buys just switched from shorts to longs, but the question is now, where do I want to get in this long, right? Definitely don't want to get into this long right here. In a breakout, maybe we get some sort of rejection here at this VWAP, come back down. If we come to this area or this area, yes, I'll be looking to long this thing. But for now, there's no trade. Again, not too sure what's going on with the recording today. I have a couple monitors, and it seems that every time I go and try to press on a different monitor, the stream pauses. It just ends. Need to see how to fix this problem, because I like to bounce between screens and looking at different things at the same time. So yeah, I'm not too sure how to fix this problem right now. So what I'm gonna most likely do, it's going to cut the videos and restart start the video on a cut. Sorry that I won't have a coherent continued video, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing for today at the very least, and then I'm gonna be learning on how to stream, because never done this thing before. So yeah, again, price broke out of the channel right now. We're spending some time above this channel. We had a nice displacement. Now we wanna see this test come back down, maybe here VWAP, and I'll be more than happy to trade this. Okay, I got my second entry. Seen some bullish purchases. At the same time, I don't like the fact that price is hesitating here. What I was expecting is this to come back down and immediately start shooting up. Right now I'm leaning to the possibility of me getting stopped out of this trade, just because we haven't gotten that nice initial reaction. And I got stopped out. Currently looking at the possibility for a re-entry. Also, the context had changed. We broke out of this channel. I was trying to play the retest of this channel. Instead, what we had was a failed auction, come back inside the channel. Maybe shorts are in control now, from what it looks like to me. Yeah, what are the chances that again we have a failed auction in this downtrend channel and then come inside and then start coming back up again, right? So very quickly, I wanna review my trading day for today. So again, the context was that we were in this downtrend channel and we were testing the inside of this horizontal channel, right? This was our open, and at the open, we were seeing a lot of bullish momentum. We even started seeing some bullish CVD divergences. Guess my problem for today was the fact that I was trying to play a breakout trade right here, right? There was nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with me thinking that this was a possibility for a long trade, right? So I was waiting for the retest at the top of the channel, and this was my first initial trade, right? I was targeting this swing value pattern. I was targeting this highs. Instead, we didn't see a nice reaction right here. Didn't see any reaction right here when a long. Instead, price came down, and as it was coming down, I was saying how I was going to get stopped down most likely. So we did get stopped out. The price kept going back down, and I was showing price as it came down. At this point, I was at a break even. At this point, somewhere around here, I was at a break even since I had lost my first trade. But since I took shorts all the way down, I got to break even. And then the problem was me. Here's where I lost so much money. I was trying to short this rally. I was short. I never got any of those shorts. Instead, I didn't see the fact that price came up inside the 6-minute opening range, and we traded basically here inside this opening range for the rest of the day. We traded here until 2 p.m. where price finally broke, and we came all the way down to test this daily naked point of control. Few things. For today, I ended up the day on a negative note, unfortunately, since I was trying so hard for my first video to be a positive trade. I guess those emotions got the best of me. That was one thing that I messed up on. I didn't manage my emotions correctly. Also, the fact that I took so many trades. I took 20 trades here, and most of them were very low probability trades, low confluence. I had not that much confluence. I was just keep taking a bunch of trades. This is bad behavior. Have a rule where I only take 3 trades a day. Notice that today maybe it was the timing, the fact that I was for the first time recording a live session, and I was talking to people inside my Discord. I guess it was those type of things that got the best of me today. Really wanted a profitable trade today. Unfortunately for my valuation account, I ended up negative. Didn't manage my emotions correctly. Didn't follow my plan. I didn't follow my edge of taking only 3 trades, taking high probability setups. I didn't do any of that. So this was a very bad managed trade day. On the other hand, I had the possibility to reflect on my mistake, and I went to my practice account and I took a long trade, and in fact I did end up the day positive on this account, $280 up for the day. I took, I believe it was this long right here. Yes, I was taking longs all the way right here, and I closed my longs. One trade I closed it here, and one right here at this candle, and then I believe the other one, the last contract, I closed it right here as we were starting to come back down. So yeah, I didn't want to leave completely the full day. I didn't want to leave it on a negative note. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna make sure that I'm managing my emotions correctly, that I take high probability trades, and before I take a trade, I want to ask myself why I want to take the trade, and after I take it, even if it's a loser or winner, I want to review it before I take another trade, instead of just trading the whole time without reviewing them. So yeah, that was my trading session for today. Hope you guys liked it. Please comment if you guys have any suggestion, anything you guys would like to see in the future. If you guys want, I can go more in depth about my strategy, or any questions. I'm open to any recommendations. So yeah, hope you guys like it, and I hope you have a good day today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.